Reception and welcome to Friday's Maths. So this week we've been doing some learning about doubling and halving. So if we remember, doubling means two lots of the same number. And halving means splitting an amount into two equal parts. So, for example, we have here it says double 2. So if I have two circles and I want to double my two circles, it means I have to add two more. 1, 2. So double 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the bottom it says half 2. So if I have two circles, 1 for you, 1 for me, then half of 2 would be 1. Okay, so hopefully we've understood that this week. We're really good at knowing the difference between doubling and halving. So to finish off our week, we're going to do some word problems together today. So we're not using our maths books. We're just going to have a look at the problems on the board together, and I'd like you to think about all of our learning from this week, all of our doubling and our halving, and how we found the answer to find the answers to these word problems. So it might be a little bit tricky, but I'm sure your grown-up will be there to help you. So the first question that we've got together on the board says, there were 8 apples in a fruit bowl, but now there is double. So how many apples are there altogether? So think about doubling. When we're doubling, there's two lots of the same amount. So we've got 8 apples, and then there is double. So we need to double 8. So have a go. Maybe you want to draw some apples on your whiteboard. Draw 8 and 8 more and see how many you've got together. And then you can find the answer to this question. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one says Rachel got 10 out of 10 on her test. Abby got half as much as Rachel. How many did Abby get wrong? So, 10 Rachel got, and Abby got half the amount. So half of 10. So think about how we're looking at halving this week. Maybe you could use the one for me, one for you technique if you can get some objects. Or maybe you could draw 2 people on your whiteboard and halve 10, draw some marks and halve 10 that way. So we want to find half of 10 for this question. And our last one says Darren had 6 ants yesterday, but today he has double the amount. How many ants does Darren have today? So, listening carefully to the things we need to hear in this word problem, Darren had 6 ants yesterday, and today he has double the amount. So you need to double 6 to answer this one. So I'd love to see all your working out on your whiteboards or whatever method you choose to use, and make sure you send over to us so we can see your fantastic learning. Hopefully we've enjoyed doubling and halving this week. It can be a little bit tricky, but from what I've seen, everybody's been really good with it. So well done, and we'll start some brand new learning next week on Monday. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.